Welcome back to Acme Classes Simply Maths, a one-point channel for dealing with all problems relating to mathematics classes 9th and 10th. In this series of 7 videos, we are specifically dealing with the chapter of trigonometry, and from video number 2 to 7, we are dealing with the chapter of heights and distances related to trigonometry. So let's look at what is in store for us in this video. So if you read through the question, from a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of a 10-meter tall building is 30 degrees, and the flag is hoisted at the top of the building, and the angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff from P is 45 degrees. Find the length of the flagstaff and the distance of the building from point P. As you may have noticed, in this particular question, you have to first figure out what is the figure going to be like. And in addition, the most important concept that you have to understand is how many things are you supposed to determine in this question? How many things you're supposed to find out in this question? Let's see. So this is the question translated into the figure form. From a point P, the angle of elevation to the top of the building is 30 degrees. And from this very point P, the angle of elevation to the top of the flagstaff is 45 degrees. So let's try and solve this question in a simplified manner. So the height of the building, the same figure used here. So using the same figure as before, the height of the building given in the question is 10 meters. So we are supposed to find two things in this specific question. First, you're supposed to find the height of the flagstaff, and secondly, you're supposed to find the distance of the point P from the building. So rule of thumb is, if you're supposed to find one thing in the height and distances type of a question, you look at one triangle. So since in this question we are supposed to find two unknowns, we look at two triangles. One triangle being PAB and the other triangle being PAD. Mind you, in trigonometry we only deal with right angle triangles. So we will not consider triangle BPD at all. So let's see. So like I said before, two unknowns means two triangles. The two triangles that I will pick up for solving this question is DAP and BAP. Now DAP, tan 45 is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side. Opposite side being AD. See, the opposite side to angle 45 degrees is AD and adjacent side is AP. So tan 45 degree value is always going to be equal to 1. You can refer to the table given in the NCERT textbook. So from this we get AP is equal to AD. Now if AP is equal to AD, so AP was assumed to be x meters, so x is equal to 10 plus h. Since AD is equal to AB plus BD, hence AD is equal to 10 plus h. Now in triangle BAP, tan 30 degree is equal to AB upon AP. Now value of tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. AB is equal to 10 and AP is equal to x. So from cross multiplying we get x is equal to 10 root 3. So value of root 3 is 1.732. So multiply that by 10. X comes out to be 7.32 meters. Now use the value of x equal to 7.23 meters in this equation. We get h is equal to 7.32 meters. So from this we get that the distance of this point from the building is 17.32 meters and the height of the flagstaff is 7.32 meters. With this we come to the end of this specific problem. Various other videos would relate to other problems in heights and distances. I suggest that you look up at the links given in the description of this video for further reference. In the end, I would like to say that if you liked what we shared, please do like, subscribe, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you, have a nice day and good luck.